Hi angels, welcome back to another video. This one is obviously another resin video. Seems like I'm doing a ton of resin on my YouTube channel, but that's fine. So I decided to decorate this iPhone 14 Pro Max case that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box down below just in case you guys want to order. It's just like a normal clear case, nothing special. But I'm planning on getting the iPhone 14, so I was like, why not just make a cute little case? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm getting my colors ready. Went with a dark blue and then a lighter blue. And then I got this gold chunk. I don't even know what it's called. But everything I'll leave down in the description box down below. Okay, so after mixing everything up, mixing up all of my colors, the gold Geode, I put some resin in there, so that's why there's some bubbles in there. Definitely add way too much resin, but just wanted to make sure that there's some resin on there so that it could all stick together and nothing was moving around or anything like that. By the way, I wrapped some clear tape all around the edge of the phone case so that the buttons and the holes, the resin, obviously the resin gonna run over. When the resin run over, it would not messed up the phone case so that the phone case can still work. So after mixing everything, I let the bubbles rise up. Then I just use my lighter to get rid of the bubbles real quick. This golden Geode nuggets, that's what they're called. That's the first thing I'm gonna start placing down on the phone case. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Definitely add way too much resin, and you guys gonna see what I mean in a second. Okay, and I decided to put a little bit up top because obviously I have a ton of them that's still left over. I don't know why I pour out so much and then I had so much resin on it. But I end up not using everything, and I had a goddess sitting at the side, so I just pour the rest of the Geode nuggets inside there. It wasn't a lot left over, but I really didn't need it. I probably should have added some at the bottom of the phone case, but I was not thinking like that. So there's some bubbles around it, so I decided to just use my lighter to get rid of the bubbles real quick. And now I can start pouring down the colors. I went with the dark I went with a darker blue, then a lighter blue, and then I had some leftover resin from something else that I'm gonna pour it down in there. But also I mixed up a little bit too much resin, but that was perfect because again, I use it to make some resin. Not resin. I use it for a goddess. I was gonna make something else, but I totally forgot about it. So now I'm repeating my colors again. Darker blue, lighter blue, and then darker blue, lighter blue, darker blue. You get what I'm trying to say? Just pouring it. And a little bit more of the lighter blue. Add more of the Geode nuggets. And then add some resin at the other side that I already mixed up. It was white, gold flakes, and what do you call those? Confetti. By the way, the resin is already hardening, so the rest of the resin I poured in the goddess. I was gonna wait until I finished the phone case to make the goddess, but the resin started to harden very quickly, so I had to do that as soon as I finished this. So I was definitely rushing. It doesn't look like if I was rushing, but trust me, I was. So after 24 hours, everything dried up. So I mixed up some the chunky glitter that you see right there with a little bit of some resin. Now I'm just placing it around the Geode nuggets. And yeah, I thought that the glitter could like bring everything together because I didn't like the way how it's looking so far. And now I'm gonna add some gold. Gold always makes everything look so much better. Definitely should use something else to place it everything down with, but I couldn't find anything else. I was trying to rush because I let the resin sit out a little bit too long because I was doing other projects. Now any spot that I thought I miss with the resin, because obviously I missed a ton of spots, I'm just going over there with the gold. The inside of the phone right here looks better than the outside, honestly. By the way, after I put down this gold right here, I had a second layer of resin over everything so that nothing would be moving around, so that everything could dry together. I think that's the spot that I didn't show you guys, but To secure everything together, I just poured a second and final layer over everything. And this is how it looks. Got some resin run over here, but it should be fine. The buttons should work perfectly fine. And yeah, I wish this is how it looked on the front, so I'm definitely gonna have to remake it, do less glitter, just choose more vibrant colors. I guess that's the key. But for my first time, I think it looks pretty good. I'm not too upset. Definitely would try to use a different tape, because right here I wrapped the tape around it so that the resin wouldn't get on the buttons or around here, so that the phone could be working properly. But yeah, looks pretty good. I like it. What do you guys think? Love it or hate it? Comment down below. By the way, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. I know why my voice sounds like that, but definitely some of the colors are vibrant, some of them are not, so I'm noticing this crack right here. I'm gonna have to secure it with more resin, probably UV resin, who knows. It doesn't look that bad. Looking at it, doesn't look that bad. So I don't have the iPhone 14 yet, but my old phone, I think this is 11. I don't know what iPhone I have, but I just put it on. The case is obviously way too big, but this is how it looks. It looks pretty cute. I like it. It looks good. And this is how it looks in the sun. Gorgeous as ever. Doesn't look too bad. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, if you watch all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave the link for everything that I use down in the description box down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.